Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide highlights on Instagram from someone. So first of all, and of course, you'll need the Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So first of all, if you want to hide highlights on Instagram from someone, you will need to head into settings. How you can do that, just go and click at your profile picture down there on the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines on the top right corner. As you can see here, we will find the settings option. Just click on that, and all I need to look for here is just click at privacy. If you don't find that, just go at search and type privacy. Wait, let me type it correctly. As you can see here is privacy. So all I need to do, just click on it, and all I need to do is look for story here. As you can see here, all you need to do, just go and click at hide story from. Let's say for example I want to add here like this users. Just click on them right there and go back. As you can see here, 6 people will be hidden. They will not be able to see your highlights or even your story. So we have this option here. Of course, if you want to remove them, just go click again and check them again. So let's say for example you want the other option. All you need to do, just go and create close friends to you on Instagram, and after you post your highlights or your story, all you need to do, just go and post it on your close friends, and that will be it. You will post it on your friends and the close friends, and they are the only one who will be able to see it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.